Amaqembu aphikisayo amtshele emehlweni uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukuthi uyahluleka ukubusa lelizwe. Abuye athi sekuyisikhathi sokuba iNingizimu Afrika iyibone ngamehlo intuthuko elokhu ithenjiswa yona.
South Africans deserve more, Mr. President, than promises. They deserve results. We have listened to these commitments before, and yet the realities on the ground tell a different story. A story of betrayal, neglect, and failure. Mr. President, sir, you lead a failed state.
The reality is that South Africa is in the middle of a deep economic crisis, a concoction of disastrous economic policies, a lack of coordination, and relentless budget cuts in education, in health, policing, food security, and all essential and critical areas of service delivery.
You always make bold statements. You appear dangerous from afar, but when we pay closer attention, we see a paper tiger. Your ministers and premiers are all praise singers, Mr. President. All of them did not engage in the substance of your SONA. They did not defend your SONA. They were just looking for your applause and affirmation.
Iqembu iIFP lithi liyalwemukela uhlelo lokulungiswa kwenqalazizinda oluzodla imali engango-940 billion amarandi kule minyaka emithathu ezayo.
We welcome the 940 billion rand investment in infrastructure over 3 years. It is encouraging to see the importance placed on public-private partnerships to fund these projects. We therefore call for stringent performance metrics, monitoring, accountability and transparency over this investment.
Le nkulumompikiswano ibuye yaphenduka inkundla yokuxolodelana.
Did the MKP, Mr. President, really think that our leadership could govern with them when they demanded that we must first remove you, our president? This party on the left predicts the imminent death of the GNU. The implosion of the MKP has begun. The Twitter war amongst unelected leaders is going on.
Umengameli uzophendula kusasa ngakho konke amaqembu akushilo ngenkulumo yakhe kusukela izolo.
What we need is rehabilitation.